Hey everybody, it's a great Disney day. I'm Holly, and in today's video, tips for planning a Disney World vacation, Part 4. These are excellent tips for Disney World first-timers. But even if you're not a first-timer, these strategies will help you to avoid lines, to select rides and dining, to know what to bring to the parks, and to know your transportation. If you're new to the channel, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you know when I upload my videos. The tips I have for you today are more than just the simple make your fast passes. And there's so many of them, I've had to break this video up in parts. Since there's so much to talk about, let's get going. Our next category is transportation. Disney has a lot of modes of transportation. There's boats, monorails, buses. There will soon be the Disney Skyliner that will take you to Hollywood Studios and the International Gateway at Epcot and connect to several resorts. And you can't forget about the Disney minivan service. The number one tip is to give yourself plenty of time, at least an hour, to get from your resort room door to the entrance at the parks. Number two, think about how you will get to and from the parks at the beginning of the day, for your midday break, and at the end of the night after fireworks. If you plan to arrive for rope drop an hour before the park opens, then driving to the parks may be your best bet. I will often leave my car at the park and take the resort bus back for a midday break. Then I can drive my car home after the fireworks. That way, I don't have to deal with the after fireworks bus stop crowds. Tip number 3 is one of my family's secret tips. If you're staying at a resort that has one centralized bus stop by the lobby and you have your car with you, drive the family to the lobby and check out the bus stop lines. If lines are low, drop the family off to refill drink mugs while you park the car nearby, then catch the bus. If the lines are super long like they can be at the value resorts, take your car to the parks instead. Resort guests park there for free. Well, that will have to do it for today. And be sure and check back next week when we'll discuss the best ways to avoid lines. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe. Until next week, wherever you are, make it a great Disney day. See ya!